Hey y'all, Jean here with Thunder Creek Equipment, and today I want to show you one of the features that goes into all of our bulk fuel tanks that makes Thunder Creek unique. Right now I'm standing in front of the welding department at LDJ Manufacturing. That's the company behind the Thunder Creek brand. We are a certified ASME tank manufacturer. That means our expertise is first and foremost in building tanks. We understand that when you have fluid moving inside of a tank, that force can cause stresses in the corner. And double welding the seams is just one of the ways that we overcome this challenge. So what I have here is cutaways from two tanks. This one comes from a Thunder Creek trailer, and this one comes from a competitor's brand. From the outside, these trailers look remarkably similar, but in fact they're not. And we have to look on the inside to see why. When we build our 500, 750, and 990 gallon fuel tanks, we weld both the bottom and the corners on both the outside and the inside. Where each of the tank sections meet, we do a 1-inch offset bend. This doubles the strength of the corner. And by welding here on the inside, and again here on the outside, we avoid doing a back-to-back weld. This maintains the base material strength. So as fluid moves, the force is spread across an area reinforced with double the material. We also have our team set up so that they're always welding in position. We use a fixture, a rotisserie of sorts, to rotate the tank so that our guys are always able to do flat welds. We never do vertical or overhead welding. This ensures the strength and seal of each weld. Now to look at the other brand. There's three things that I want to point out to you that you see with these cutaways that you don't normally see from the outside of the tank. The first, when you put them side by side, you can see that the material that they are using is lighter. Second, you can see that while they're technically doing a double weld on the seam, because they're welding on the inside and the outside, they're actually doing a back-to-back weld in the same spot. This is a big concern. They're not reinforcing that corner, and they are penetrating the material in the same spot twice, which ultimately could cause a stress point. It's been almost 10 years since we launched the first Square by Design fuel trailer. And in that time, a lot of lookalikes have come out on the market, but there is nothing out there that compares to the quality, craftsmanship, and expertise that goes into every Thunder Creek trailer. Thanks for watching.